Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to add a movie or a TV show to your watch list on Disney+. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. It is very easy to do and I have no doubts you will have no problems doing it. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official disneyplus.com website and either log into your account or create a new account if you do not already have one. So guys, after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where all the shows and TV shows that you can watch are here. Here you can see all the movies that we have offered, and let's say there is a TV show or movie that we want to add to our watch list. So go ahead and select the TV show or movie that you want to use, click on it, and this will open up this new page where you can see the trailer or play it and so on and so on. So guys, all you have to do for it to be added to your watch list is go ahead and click this plus sign right here next to the trailer, and this will open up this option to add it to watch list. After clicking it, it will now be added to your watch list. As you can see here guys, if we go to our watch list, we can now see the movie that we have added. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. That's how you add a movie or a TV show to your watch list. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.